The Easyriders party kicked off the 2026 Sturgis Rally, and we met up with Cabana Dan, an award-winning custom bike builder, to find out what Easyriders means to him.
It means the world to me. Growing up as a young man, watching the Easyriders movie, and then getting the magazines over the years and that, and all the features, the builds, all the cool stuff, to be old enough to actually build a custom bike. And then the bottom line is, growing up, is like all the guys are like, if you built a bike and it made it in Easyriders Magazine, you made it. You made it. This was the one. They had all the other magazines back then. They were all great magazines, but if you made it in Easyriders, you made it. So, oh goodness, I've done all kinds of crazy stuff, from restorations to antique bikes. I built a 3-engine land speed bike out of Harley Hummer motors, to all kinds of stuff.
The party was cool, the art was outstanding, and the crowd non-stop. Like and subscribe so you won't miss the action and culture.